Hello and welcome again to another edition of Smart Money, a program that should help you to invest like a pro. So what we are saying is to retail investors, you don't have to feel that you don't have adequate information or you're not prepared to be participating on the capital markets. So these are just some tools to help you navigate the markets. So in the last recording, we were just discussing the basic mechanics of a market. And just to recap, we were talking about the ordinary shares and the fact that you are investing so that you can get dividends and also anticipating capital gains. And also we also highlighted that the capital markets are a platform for organizations to raise capital, and also a platform for people to be investing on. So the next, this segment is going to touch on the participants on the capital markets. Who are those people who are on the capital markets? And obviously, as an investor, as a retail investor, you also need to know the other entities that you are playing the market alongside with. So that's basically what we're going to talk about. So for starters, we have got the public. So the public's includes you and I. So we are investing for various reasons. For some, they are practicing their career. Others, they just enjoy to have higher returns on their funds. For others, they are looking for diversification. Even for others, it's a hobby. And also others, they're investing so that they can keep track of the whims of the economy and to see if they can satisfy their urge to gamble. So those are some of the reasons for which the public actually participate in investing activities. Then there are professional investors. For them, it's a career. They are very few in number, but they control a vast amount of capital. Many of them started out as passive investors, but they perfected their skills to a point where they are now full-time professionals. And then we've got fund managers. So these are like your financial institutions, banks, pension administrators who are investing majority of clients' money in the capital markets. So as a retail investor, you want to know that you are participating in the market alongside professional investors, also the likes of your fund managers there. It's very beneficial to be investing on the stock market for a number of reasons. So it's easy to trade. For example, in our local market, there's an option to be trading using the phone on platforms like SweetTrade, online on platforms like the ZSE Direct, and obviously there's also an element where you can trade through interaction with intermediaries like our stockbrokers. So there are a few other things that you need to know. If you carefully select your shares, some of them pay regular dividends, some of them could be tax-free dividends depending on your tax status. And then there's a potential for you to earn better return than any type of investment. Obviously, it's risky, but the risk is sort of offset by the returns that you can get. And then it's a highly regulated market, so you don't have to worry about the safety of your money because the capital markets are regulated. In Zimbabwe, they are regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission. So the regulation actually safeguards your investment. Then it requires less amount to start investing in the stock market compared to maybe what you may need for you to get started on, say, the investment in properties. And you are a part owner of a company when you are investing in shares, but your liability is limited. What does it mean? It means if something goes wrong, the extent to which the creditors to the company in which you are investors will come after you is limited to your investments. So they'll not come and start attaching your personal effects or come after you. So, and also, I think another thing that people sometimes overlook is the fact that you are owning a company, but you are exempted from its management because there are managers who have got responsibility to be managing this for you. On the cons, I've spoken about market price risk, that things could turn out not in a way that's different from what you were planning. And also it requires dedication for you to be trading on the market. Make sure you have got access to information, and well, at the worst, if a company goes bail up, your shareholding will also be affected. So these are the participants and things that you need to look out for as you're investing. So thank you very much for watching this edition. We'll meet again in the next edition. Smart Money is brought to you by Fincent Capital, and remember, we are trying to help you invest like a pro. Remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel on the details shown below, and also like our Facebook page on Fincent Capital. Thank you. Let's meet again next time.